Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful star while we learn Spanish. Come on, it's very simple. Copy my steps. That's right. How beautiful it's turning out. Beautiful in Spanish is bonito. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is rotulador. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Is a very beautiful star. Star in Spanish is ESTRELLA. Very good! If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!